morning student, how are you all? Hope you all are good. So student, today we are going to learn page number 30. Page number 30. The property of vertically opposite angle. The property of vertically opposite angle. So student, you can see here is two rays. First one R and S, second is T and P. Okay, these two are intersect each other. Okay, and we can see here is R Q T S P Q S and R Q P. These are angles. These four are angles. And you can see here R Q T and P Q S. These both are opposite angle. These both are opposite angle. And R Q P T Q S. These also opposite angle. Okay. And R Q T and T Q S. R Q T and TQS, these are linear pair. These are linear pair. And TQS and angle SQP, these both are also linear pair angles. And PQR and angle RQT, these both are also linear pair. Okay, now here is the definition of vertically opposite angle. So, the vertically opposite angles formed when two lines intersect are of equal measure. So, we can see here these two lines are intersect each. So, if here is R Q T, so angle RQT is equal to angle PQS, equal to angle PQS. If angle RQT is 90 degree angle, so it is also will also be 90 degree, because these are both equal angles. Okay, and opposite angles. Now we will write here 90 degree equal to 90 degree. So we will write here 90 degree plus 90 degree equal to 180 degree. Okay. So these both are opposite angles, and RQP and TQS, these both are also opposite angle. So this is called vertically opposite angle. Okay. Now we will learn our practice set 20. We will learn our practice set 20. Practice set 20. So student, question number 1 is here. Question number 1. Practice set 20. Question number 1, the first question. So here is given a figure first. APD and BPC and APD is a 47 degree angle. APD is a 47 degree angle. So question is lines AC and BD intersect at point P. Measure of angle APD equal to 47 degree. Find the measure of angle APB, angle BPC and angle CPD. So we have to find three angles here, APB, BPC and CPD. So first we will find here angle APB. Angle APB. We have given measure of angle APD is 47 degree. Now here we have to find angle APB. APB. Okay. So APD is 47 and APB. We have to find APB. So we will write here APD plus angle, measure of angle APB equal to 180 degree. APD is 47 and measure of angle APB equal to 180 degree. So and angle APD plus angle APB, these both are linear pair. So we will write here linear pair. Angle in linear pair. Angle in linear pair. And APD क्या है 47 degree है, so we will write here 47 plus a measure of angle APB equal to 180 degree. So measure of angle APB as it is रहेगा and 180 minus 47. Now 180 minus 47 is 133 degree. So we get APB equal to 133. Okay, now second one we have to find here. We will find here angle BPC. Okay, BPC हमको फाइंड करना है. So APD and BPC. If APB क्या है 47 degree है and BPC is the opposite angle. So 47, if this one is 47, so it will be also 47 because opposite angles are equal to each other, है ना. Opposite angles equal हैं दोनों एक दूसरे के. So we will write here angle APD equal to angle BPC. Why? Opposite angles. So APB BPC भी कितना हो जाएगा? Angle BPC is also 47 degree. Okay. You will write these questions on your notebook. Now we get angle APB is 133 degree and angle BPC equal to 47 degree. Now we will find here angle CPD. Angle CPD फाइंड करना है. CPD. So हमने फाइंड किया है APB फाइंड कर लिया हमने. So this one is 133 degree and we have to find here CPD. तो CPD भी क्या हो जाएगा 133 degree because opposite angles are equal. So we will write here angle CPD equal to angle APB. Okay. Why? Because opposite angles. Okay, so APB is also CPD is क्या हो जाएगा? CPD क्या हो जाएगा? 133 degree. So we get CPD equal to 133 degree. Okay, clear? So this is the question number 1. Now question number 2. Question number 2 is also very easy. So this is your homework. This one is your homework. Lines PQ and RS intersect at point M. Measure of angle PMR equal to x degree. What are the measure of the angle PMS and angle SMQ and angle QMR? Okay, this one is your homework. Clear? Question number 2 is your homework. Okay, now we will do our next part in our next video. Thank you.